travel and vlogging.
Nakakuro sa Connecticut. I'm from the Connecticut. Nag-rest muna ako. I got the rest for rest area. I need to pee. So I'm a South Tington, Connecticut. Ano yung rest area? This is the rest area. So if you want travel, I always travel. Enjoying life. As you know, pag maging entrepreneur ka na, magbi-business ka na, ganito na mangyayari sa'yo, nagka-travel ka na. Laging travel to make your time di nasa more on works. So same time you work, you're travel, same time you earn money. So ito, dito ako, I'm here from Santington State of Southwest Connecticut. Ito. Dito ako. So yan. Kita rin nyo. So ito ang place. Ihi muna. So see you guys. Make a business from Philippines.